In this video, we are going to solve some of the arithmetic and geometric progression questions. To solve the arithmetic and geometric progression questions, we are going to use these key points. Now, let's solve these questions. The first question is the sum of the first two terms of a geometric progression is 15 and the sum to infinity is 125 over 7. The common ratio of the progression is negative. The common ratio is R. So here it is given R is negative. Find the third term of the progression. Okay. So the sum of the first two terms is given. So the formula to find the sum of first two terms is S2 is equal to A multiplied by 1 minus R power n, that is 2, divided by 1 minus R. Sum of the first two term is equal to 15. Okay. And next, the sum to infinity is 125 over 7. Sum to infinity formula is A divided by 1 minus R, which is equal to 125 divided by 7. I will mark this as 1 and this as 2. Okay. So A divided by 1 minus R. Let's substitute this value in the first equation for this term. Let's substitute the value 125 over 7. So 125 divided by 7 multiplied by 1 minus R square equal to 15. So what is 1 minus R square? 15 multiplied by 7 divided by 125. Okay. Let's simplify this one. If you cancel by 5, we get this is 3 and this is 125 is 25. So 21 divided by 25. So what is R square? R square equal to 1 minus 21 divided by 25. So which is equal to, the LCM is 25. 25 minus 21 will be 4 over 25. So R will be equal to plus or minus 2 divided by 5. Okay. So it's given the common ratio of the progression is negative. Since R is negative, we will take R is equal to negative 2 over 5. We need to find the third term of the progression. Find out the value of A also. So substitute R value as negative 2 over 5 in equation 2. So we get A divided by 1 minus of minus, that it means plus 2 over 5 equal to 125 over 7. So this is A divided by 7 over 5 equal to 125 over 7. So A is equal to 5A is equal to 5A over 7 equal to 125 over 7. We can cancel this and 5 is here 25 times. So A is equal to 25. Let's find out the third term. Third term is A R power 2. A is 25 multiplied by R is negative 2 over 5 the whole square. So this is equal to 25 multiplied by 4 over 25, which is equal to 4. So the third term is 4. The next question is, the first, second and third terms of a geometric progression are sine theta, cos theta and 2 minus sine theta respectively, where theta radians is an acute angle. Find the value of theta. So this is a geometric progression question. The first term is A, which is equal to sine theta. The next term is AR, which is equal to cos theta. And the third term is AR square, which is equal to 2 minus sine theta. Okay. So let's find out the R value by writing AR divided by A. So AR is cos theta divided by sine theta. So R will be cos theta divided by sine theta. From these two terms, again let's find out what is the R value is. So A and A will get cancelled. R square divided by R will be R. So AR square is 2 minus sine theta divided by cos theta. So R is equal to 2 minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Let's equate both the R value. So cos theta divided by sine theta equal to 2 minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Let's cross multiply this one. So cos square theta equal to 2 sine theta minus sine square theta. Let's bring the sine square theta into another side, to the left hand side. So we get cos square theta plus sine square theta equal to 2 sine theta. So cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So let's write sine theta as 1 over 2 and theta is equal to sine inverse of 1 over 2. Okay. And here theta is in radians and it's given it's an acute angle. So theta equal to sine inverse of 1 over 2 gives theta value as pi over 6. The next part of the question is, using this value of theta, find the sum of the first terms of the progression. Give the answer in the form b divided by square root of c minus 1, where b and c are integers to be found. Okay. Find the sum of the first terms of the progression. Okay. So this progression is a geometric progression. The sum of the first term is S10 equal to A multiplied by 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Okay, before that let's find out what is the value of R is. And we know R is cos theta divided by sin theta. You can take any one expression. Let's take cos theta divided by sin theta. And we found the theta value is pi over 6. So cos pi over 6 divided by sine pi over 6, which is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2 divided by 1 over 2. So which is equal to square root of 3. Okay. Then the first term A is sine theta. So sine pi over 6, which is equal to 1 over 2. So A is equal to 1 over 2 and R is equal to square root of 3. Okay, by using these two values, let's find out the sum of the first 10 terms. So S10 equal to A value is 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 minus R is square root of 3 power n is 10. Okay, divided by 1 minus R, that is 1 minus square root of 3. And this is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by, on simplifying this expression, we get this as 1 minus 3 power 5 divided by 1 minus square root of 3. Okay, let's use the calculator to find the final value in the fraction form. We get the answer as negative 121 divided by 1 minus square root of 3, and it's given. We need to give the answer in this form. Okay, b minus square root of c. So multiply the numerator and the denominator by negative 1. So we get 121 divided by square root of 3 minus 1. Okay, so S10 equal to this. And b value is 121 and c is 3. Okay, the next question is, the first, second and third terms of a geometric progression are 2p plus 6, 5p and 8p plus 2 respectively. Find the possible values of the constant p. So the first term of a geometric progression is a. So a equal to 2p plus 6, and the second term is ar, which is equal to 5p, and the third term is ar square, which is equal to 8p plus 2. Okay, so from the first two terms we can write the value of r as ar divided by a gives the r value 5p divided by 2p plus 6. Okay, this is the r value. And from the second and the third term, the r value will be ar square divided by ar, which is equal to 8p plus 2 divided by 5p. So r is equal to 8p plus 2 divided by 5p. Let's equate both the r value. So we get 5p divided by 2p plus 6 equal to 8p plus 2 divided by 5p. Okay, let's cross multiply this one. So we get 25p square equal to 8p plus 2 multiplied by 2p plus 6. Let's expand the bracket. 16p square plus 4p, 48p plus 12. So this is equal to 16p square plus 52p plus 12. Now bring all the term into one side. So we get 25p square minus 16p square minus 52p minus 12 equal to 0. So this gives 9p square minus 52p minus 12 equal to 0. Let's factorize this one. So we get 9p plus 2 multiplied by p minus 6 equal to 0. So p is equal to minus 2 over 9 and 6. So the possible values of p is negative 2 over 9 and 6. The next part of the question is one of the values of p found in A is a negative fraction. Use this value of p to find the sum to infinity of this progression. So p is equal to negative 2 over 9. So we have to take this value. To find the sum to infinity of the progression, we need to find the value of a and r. So what is the a value? A is 2p plus 6. So this is negative 4 over 9 plus 6, which is equal to, take the LCM, we get negative 4 plus 54 divided by 9. So which is 50 over 9. Okay. So what is the R value? 5p. Let's take this one. Or if you want, you can take this also. In both the cases, you will get the same answer. 5p divided by 2p plus 6. 5 multiplied by negative 2 over 9 divided by 2p plus 6. 2 multiplied by negative 2 divided by 9 plus 6. And we simplified the denominator already, which gave 50 divided by 9, and the numerator negative 10 over 9. Okay, so this is negative 10 over 50, which is negative 1 over 5. So A is 50 over 9 and R value is negative 1 over 5. Now let's find out sum to infinity, which is A, that is 50 over 9 minus 1 minus R. So minus multiplied by minus, this will become plus 1 over 5. So this is 50 over 9 divided by take LCM, so we get 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. On simplifying this fraction, we get the value as 125 divided by 27. So sum to infinity is 125 divided by 27. The next question is, an arithmetic progression is such that its first term is 6 and the 10th term is 19.5. Find the sum of the first 100 terms of this arithmetic progression. The first term is 6, that is a is 6, and the 10th term, that is a plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 multiplied by d is 19.5. Okay, substitute the value of a as 6, so 6 plus 9d equal to 19.5. So 9d is equal to 19.5 minus 6, which is 13.5. So d will be 13.5 divided by 9. And this is equal to 1.5. Sum of the first 100 terms. So now we know a is 6 and d is 1.5. Yes, 100 equal to n divided by 2, that is 100 divided by 2 multiplied by 2a. 2 times 6 plus n minus 1 is 99 multiplied by 1.5. On simplifying this, we get the value as 8025. The next part of the question is, a geometric progression a1, a2, a3 is such that a1 is 24 and the common ratio is 1 over 2, that is r is 1 over 2. The sum to infinity of the geometric progression is denoted by s. The sum to infinity even numbered term is denoted by se. Find the value of s and se. Okay. A1 is 24, that is a is 24, the first term, and r is 1 over 2. The sum to infinity is denoted by s. So s equal to a, that is 24, divided by 1 minus r, 1 over 2, which is equal to 24 divided by 1 over 2, which is nothing but 48. So s is 48. The next part is the sum to infinity of the even numbered term, that is a2 and a4, is denoted by se. So first let's find out what is a2 and a4. a2 is from this progression with the value of a as 24 and r as 1 over 2. a2 is nothing but ar, which is 24 multiplied by 1 over 2, which is equal to 12. Okay. Next a4, which is ar cube. So 24 multiplied by 1 over 3, 1 over 2, the whole cube, which is equal to 24 divided by 8. So 3. Okay, for this series which has the term 12, 3, let's find out what is the a value and r value is. Okay, for this series the value of a is 12, and what is ar? Second term divided by the first term. So ar divided by a, you will get r, which is nothing but 3 divided by 12, which is equal to 1 divided by 4. So what is SE? The sum to infinity of this even numbered terms. So a divided by, that is 12 divided by 1 minus r, so 1 minus 1 over 4, which is equal to 12 divided by 3 over 4, which is equal to 16. So the value of S is 48 and SE is 16. 48 and SE is 16.